Osmo Nano, auto recording. When the camera is powered off, auto recording allows the camera to automatically start recording based on the preset trigger action or interval. Enable auto recording. Swipe down from the top of the screen. Tap auto recording. Taking Pat as an example, select a trigger action. Set auto recording parameters. After setting the parameters, swipe down from the top of the screen to return to the parameter settings page. Then select the camera status when performing the auto recording task to complete the setup. After powering off, the camera enters auto recording standby mode, and the status LED blinks blue slowly. Once the camera detects the trigger action or the set interval duration is reached, the camera will start recording automatically and power off after recording is completed. Then the camera enters standby mode for auto recording again. Disable auto recording. To disable auto recording, swipe down from the top of the screen. Tap auto recording. Tap the yellow icon to view the task in progress. You can view the number of recorded videos and the duration parameters for auto recording. Tap stop to disable the function.